Welcome. If you're tired of random invites to private servers on Roblox and want to keep your experience truly private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent anyone from adding you to private servers on Roblox Web, right from your PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click on the gear icon. This will open your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Here, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you control who can interact with you and what you see on Roblox. Next, scroll down and find Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it and you'll see the Private Servers option. This is where you decide who can add you to their private servers. To stop anyone from adding you, simply choose No One. This setting ensures that you won't receive any more unwanted invites to private servers. Your account will now be fully protected from random private server invitations, and you'll have complete control over who you play with. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken charge of your privacy on Roblox. If you ever change your mind and want to allow invites again, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. Stay safe and enjoy your gaming.